right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about a magnet deal from Mac Tools. All right, this is kind of an FYI. If you have a Mac dealer, this is a great deal, so try to jump on it if you can. Now, it is for the holiday flyer. Mac Tools Holiday Special. If you can't tell from the setup, it's a magnet tray deal. It is just $99.99. Regular list is $244, so it's a great deal. You get a 4-magnet tray, you get a nut cup, you get the 3-magnet long tray, 2 double magnet trays, and 2 single magnet trays, all for $100. Really good deal. It's in the Mac Flyer. If you've got a Mac truck, jump on it because it is a great deal. I mean, it's just insane, you know, what you get for it. I mean, who doesn't love more magnet trays? It's just, they pay for themselves so quickly, just being able to put a magnet tray somewhere and then put 2 bolts in there. You know, I know guys that will take a marker and, you know, Sharpie and mark what bolts go where. It's a great organizational tool. A while ago, I did a video about it. If I remember, I'll link it, you know, wherever the heck it goes. But I love magnet trays for organization. I have them on my cart, on the back of my cart. I have them on lift arms. I love magnet trays, and well, again, great deal. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.